Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you a quick and easy 10-minute skincare routine that will leave your skin looking glowing and healthy. This routine is perfect for those of you who have busy schedules but still want to take care of your skin. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. We recommend using a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water, and then apply the cleanser to your face in circular motions. Be gentle and avoid tugging on your skin. Rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Step 2. Toning. After cleansing, it's important to use a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps. Apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently sweep it over your face and neck. Toning also helps to remove any remaining dirt or impurities on your skin. Step 3. Serum. Serums are a great way to give your skin an extra boost of hydration and nutrients. Apply a few drops of your favorite serum to your face and gently massage it in using upward strokes. Serums are designed to penetrate deeper into your skin and provide targeted benefits, so choose a serum that suits your specific skin concerns. Step 4. Eye cream. The skin around our eyes is delicate and requires special attention. Apply a small amount of eye cream to your under-eye area using your ring finger and gently pat it in. Eye creams help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and keep the skin around your eyes hydrated. Step 5. Moisturizer. Next step is moisturizer. Apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer to your face and neck and gently massage it in using upward strokes. Moisturizer helps to lock in the hydration from the previous steps and keep your skin soft and supple. Step 6. Sunscreen. The final step in our 10-minute skincare routine is sunscreen. If you're going outside during the day, it's important to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to your face and neck. Make sure to reapply every 2 hours for maximum protection. Conclusion. There you have it, our 10-minute skincare routine for glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so try to incorporate this routine into your daily regimen to see the best results. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.